starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour. And our first order is going to be a Champ Pizza. This one is going 6 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $8. Just got the next order. This is a Jack in the Box going 5 miles. So they just gave me an add-on. It's going an extra 2 miles. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Couldn't even tell this is the right place because they got a freaking mask on their address. Total for those two orders was $15. Pretty good, pretty good. And we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 2 miles. Hello.
What is the number?
F8A. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Total for that order was $12. Wow. Was not expecting that. I mean, it was a heavy bag to be fair, but pretty sure most of the stuff was like kids' meals. Either way, very generous. Thank you, thank you. And now it's time to ruin the mood. We're gonna have a little adventure across the river. This is Chick-fil-A going, I think it said 9 miles. So, yeah.
That's next on our screen. We're just finishing that up for you.
Yeah, Michael? Yeah. Thank you. Very much not worth it. Very much a waste of time. Love that. Total for that order was $10. Can I even get out of this alley this way? Okay, yes. There's just a very, very tall pile of leaves on that sidewalk, so I couldn't tell if that was a wall or what. I was on my way home. Well, back into my zone, I mean. When I got this order for Denny's, this one, I think it said it was $8 going like 2.5 miles.
Is this all one? Yeah. Okay. There
Thank
we
you.
are.
Have a good day. This next order is a Nectar juice bar going 5.5 miles.
Here's this for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Total for that order was just under $12. Oh my goodness. That is pretty crazy. That was only one acai bowl. I think that's how you say that word, acai. So shout outs to them for being a good tipper. Thank you, thank you. Just got the next order. This is for a place called Billy Blues Bar and Grill. I've been here a handful of times, but I feel like it's been at least a year since the last time. Yeah. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee, $9 going 4.5 miles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm number 7 in line right now, and someone just pulled in behind me. Needless to say, this place is busy.
You are all set.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Yes, sir.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yep.
You have a good day.
You as well. Finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $9 going 3 miles.
And also DoorDash for Amelia G.
That was a pretty long wait, but we finally got the order. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Target. This is $10 going 4 miles, 4 items.
Who said that? I didn't even hear it. I better check my volume. Howdy. Okay, grab it. All right.
All right, that's gonna be enough for me for one day. Current time is 10:04. Current total, we are at like 94, 95. And we're just waiting on the tips for the last 3 orders, which if I get the full pay, should bring it up to like 111, 112. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.